Hi everyone. So we've heard about this thing called the conservation of energy, which is that energy can't be created or destroyed, but can only be converted from one form to another. And there's a little equation that we're showing you is the total energy before, the total energy now is going to be equal to the total energy later. So if we just look at a simple roller coaster system, that means that the total between gravitational potential energy and kinetic energy will always have to be the same, no matter what time you stop the roller coaster. So the first thing we'd like to do is just to investigate the conservation of energy by using the simulator. So the first thing to do is to switch on this energy chart that's right here. And then we're going to turn on the little grid box that's here. That'll show me where each meter is as I go up. And I'll put in a reference height there as well. So the next thing I'd like to do is to put my skater on somewhere, but if I just drop her straight on, then she's going to start moving straight away. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to pause the simulation straight away before I turn it on, and I'm going to put her on slow. I'm going to scroll back over here and just have a close look at what the instructions are. It says make a note of the height above ground and then take a screenshot of the graph and paste it here. Okay, and then press play on the simulator. I suppose this is the trick to doing it, is press pause first, then drop your skater somewhere on the ramp. It doesn't make a difference where really, because now she holds still. And what I might do is I might take my tape measure and I'll see if I can measure how high up she is off the ground. So I'm just measuring to that red dot, and according to this, she's 5.6 meters above the ground. Now, you don't have to pick 5.6 meters, you can pick a different height if you wish. It doesn't really make a difference. This part is just about observing. I'm just going to make a little mental note that she's 5.6 meters above the ground before I press play. And of course, the point behind all of this is to understand a bit more about the conservation of energy, in particular mechanical energy, which is gravitational potential energy and kinetic energy. So what we'll do is we'll look at the total amount of energy right now. If you notice, you can see that this kind of a green, yellowy colored bar graph here on the left hand side that shows the total amount of energy, and right now it's all in potential energy. But if I let her go, if I press play, and let's say I stop her down here, well, now there's a little bit of it in potential energy, another little bit in kinetic energy. So that's what we kind of want you to do right now, is to just simply observe. See if those two smaller green and blue bar graphs add up to give you the total energy. Okay? That's what I want you to do. Just check at various points, take a couple of screenshots, snip them, put them onto your page, and just look at the heights of those graphs. If I was to snip off the little blue bit, put it on top of the green bit, would it work out to be the same as this one over here on the right hand side? Okay, best of luck with that.